Hey guys, today I will be sharing some decorating ideas that you can use in your home to bring in a nice cozy feel for the winter. So for New Year's Day, I shared a very glitz and glam tablescape with you guys. And when I say glam, I'm thinking more of the metals like the mercury glass, the golds, and then colored glass. And so that's what I call bling. I'll be using some faux fur elements. You'll also see things like the metallic features like in this runner with a little bit of lurex thread running through it. And so my pillows are a hide with silver and gold leaf flakes applied to it. Some green elements as well as some natural elements to bring in the texture. You guys know it would not have that cozy vibe without a candle. And then I'll bring in a little texture with the horse, a stone, and then these manzanita branches. So let's go ahead and get started. So I chose not to add greenery for right now. I'll bring it in the spring or as we get closer to spring. But for now, I just wanted more of a natural look with a little bit of glam. And to bring in that warm, cozy feel, I added a throw for in the mornings when I come down and have my coffee. Sometimes I come in here and sometimes the heat has not quite kicked in, and so this throw comes in handy. Okay, so let's move to the kitchen and hearth area. So here on the hearth room side, I did add a little green and then a little black and charcoal gray. So I do sit in here quite often throughout the day, and so I do like to have a few cozy elements surrounding me when I am in here. When I'm sitting on the couch, I love seeing the burning candle, and then of course there is a throw in case I need one, and I have several around the room. I also have a pair of cozy little slippers in the room in case I want to put my feet up on the ottoman. And so I'm always looking for good smelling candles, and I picked this one up from Target. And I thought this was really cute. It came from the $3 section. I'm not sure what they call the area. I don't shop there that often, but I thought this was really cute. It says "Be Our Guest," and the scent is white oak and eucalyptus. And so this green vase, you may have recognized it from my Christmas tour. I used it in one of my guest bedrooms, and so I thought I would bring it down here, and it is also the perfect green. So here in the breakfast room, I have a simple centerpiece idea using a dough bowl and some assorted natural moss. And this does not have to be done in a dough bowl. If you don't have a dough bowl, you can use any sort of bowl, any material, or you can use a tray. Okay, so I have several different types of moss. You can see the green, the natural, and then there's another one here. I'm not sure what that's called, but it gives a nice texture to the arrangement. And so what I'm going to do is alternate each type of moss in the bowl, and hopefully I have enough. Now this is a bag that I got from Home Goods. Now they do have an assortment bag like this at Hobby Lobby, but it is much smaller and about the same price. So if you can find something in a larger bag like this, maybe Michael's, but I wouldn't get it at Hobby Lobby if you're using a large container like mine. So I'm going to start with the green because I have more of the green, and then I'll alternate the other types. Okay, so I think it turned out really nice. Now you can use all green if that's your choice, but since I use a lot of the light color decor in my home, I wanted to incorporate that with the green. So when it comes to my bedroom, I like to keep it neutral as well. But to bring in the warm, cozy vibes, I like to add a nice furry faux throw, as well as fluffy pillows. And I got both the pillows and the throw from Home Goods. And if you saw my last haul, this gold and white one was picked up from Nebraska Furniture Mart. And when it comes to the throw, I just like to toss it on. I don't like to worry about having a neat throw, so if I want to jump in, I won't feel bad. And you're always going to see a little touch of glam in my space because that's how I like it. And then those are my pearls from Miss Shirley. This is another way we can style our pearls because let's face it, most of us are not going anywhere these days to wear our pearls. And if you really want to get cozy, how about a box of chocolates and a great Decor magazine? But if you're like me and chocolates are not your friend, then leave them on this tray for decor. Okay everyone, that's going to do it for today's video. Now if you are not a subscriber and you enjoyed today's video, would you please consider subscribing? I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.